I have only 5 minutes, and the other day I was forcing others to do the same. So I'm about to taste my own medicine. So yeah, my name is Jayasanka. I'm from the OpenMRS Global Product Support team, and I'm here today just to ask you a question, a big question, a burning question. How do you onboard new users? Implementers, how no matter like how many cool features we have at OpenMRS on our system, sometimes like it's really hard. Like, I mean, the most important thing is that at the end of the day, users know how to use those features, right? So you may already follow in these things in order to um, help the users, maybe like with training sessions, maybe virtually or physically, and documentation, user manuals, and sometimes with mentorship or peer learning. These options are great, and these options are effective. Sometimes they come with their own drawbacks. As an example, some options cost you a lot, and some options are time consuming. And sometimes if you ask a user, if you let a user to just to figure out it, let the system, let them to figure it by themselves, they might be like a bit frustrated or confused. And I know like we share the same experience sometimes with the features, right? To address this issue, we built something, a new cool feature to OpenMRS. Actually, this was done by one of our amazing GSOC student named Vijay over the last summer with his mentor Puma. So yeah, let's see how it works. I mean, um, I mean, Dev 3 right now, dev3.openmrs.org, and you can see there's a tiny little help icon over there. Let's click on it, and there's a menu named tutorial. And you have a bunch of predefined tutorials over here. And as an example, how to register a patient, how to go through the patient chart, or how to find a patient. Likewise, let's go through the finding patient maybe. Okay, now you can see there's a cool tooltip coming there, and okay, it's asking me to click on the search icon. You're already familiar with this stuff on other softwares, right? Now we have it in OpenMRS. So let me click on it. So yeah, it will guide me through the. Okay, you can't see the search bar, but anyway, it will guide me through the feature. As an example, let's search for a random patient, and okay, it asks me to click on the search icon to see more. Click on that, and yeah, here. So it will basically guide you through all the components that you might need to know, and like through the options, various options that you have. So it happens in the real time. So users now can figure it out, like on how to use these features whenever they need. So isn't that cool? It is cool. So thank you so much. So the other nice thing is this is highly configurable. That means you can define your own tutorials, right? That suits your needs. And even like this is just an extension, you can even plug it off like whenever you need. So yeah, so this is basically how it works, and you can go through the Dev3 environment and see how it works. It's not yet released yet, but you can feel free to use it and feel free to try it. If you have any questions on how to use it, how to implement it, you know what to do, right? Just reach out. So yeah, thank you so much. See you around.